Watch how fast a standard utility trailer transforms into a full adventure setup. This is the Pack Rack, a universal modular rack system designed to fit most steel rail utility trailers, no matter the brand. If your trailer has steel side rails and the load capacity to support your gear, the Pack Rack will mount right up. No welding, no fabrication. Attach the brackets, drop in the uprights, tighten the crossbars. The frame builds itself in minutes. The Pack Rack is fully adjustable in both height and width, so you can dial it in for your exact trailer and your machine. Whether you're hauling an ATV side by side or loading up for a weekend off-grid. Optional stabilizing brackets and leveling jacks keep everything solid on uneven ground. Add a bolt-on step, wheel chock racks, bike mounts, side panels, rooftop tent brackets, awning mounts. Whatever your adventure requires. Always double-check your trailer's weight rating before loading up. A tandem axle trailer is ideal for heavier setups or rooftop tents. In minutes, your basic utility trailer becomes the Swiss Army knife of trailers, capable of hauling, camping, and carrying all your gear. One trailer, one rack. Infinite setups. Learn more at packrack.com.